may learn whether or not Covenant families can join in on the decision-making if the school killer's writings will be released publicly. Peyton Kennedy's live over the Davidson County Courthouse to talk about the impact that could have in other cases.
Neil, getting the families of the victims involved is highly unusual and sets a precedent, according to experts. And the director of the Tennessee Coalition for Open Government says it could change what information Tennesseans do and do not have access to in the future. The Covenant parents are citing the state's Crime Victim Bill of Rights, which allows them to be free of abuse. They say releasing the writings could subject them to being harassed by the criminal justice system. The judge is also considering bringing in experts to talk about how releasing the writings could impact victims' families. If that happens, we're told the case would last much longer. The delay is also causing some confusion, as police are saying this is still an active and ongoing investigation, but haven't been clear with the public about whether or not there's a co-conspirator in the shooting, begging the question, is it an open investigation or not?
This is confusing. Is there somebody else out there? I mean, do police have reason to believe there's somebody else out there? Because they've been careful to say they don't think that, and now they're kind of hinting that that may be the case. I mean, they need to clear that up.
Monday, a judge called the release of the shooter's writings uncharted territory. She said she will release a ruling today about whether the families can be involved, but no clear timeline on when exactly that will happen. Live in Nashville, Peyton Kennedy, News 2.
All right, for more information on the Covenant Manifesto's potential release and more in the aftermath of this awful, awful school shooting, you can go to our website.